Alright, so here we are at number 4, Twilight. Repairs were done, but do not look like they were done satisfactory, as this floor here is still rotted underneath this edge and moves very heavily. As I step on it, you'll be able to see it. It's going to affect the tile installation. Not to mention it's not level. Then we're going to come over here by the hallway, and this is just as bad. As you see, I'm going to step on this. It's loose. It's moving. Again, it feels like it's rotted underneath of it. It's not solid. He repaired just in the little spots that we had ripped up, and that's all that was repaired. And if you can see here, the floor is not at all at the same level.